Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Cognizant. If you are a fresher and going to join Cognizant in 2025, then this video is going to be very informative video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to talk about your work-life balance in Cognizant, what are your salary expectations, what are your project expectations, what are your training expectations. I'm going to talk about each and every aspect in detail. So stay tuned till then. Let's get started. So let's talk about the most important aspect, which is joining and onboarding process. So basically in Cognizant, if you get offer later, your joining may be vary from 1 to 6 months. Like in these duration, you'll get the joining later. Okay. After joining, basically they will join the student through virtual process only, not physical process. So over there, you'll get the access of One Cognizant or LMS portal. Over there, you have to do some courses like that before joining, actually, some mandatory courses, and then your onboarding will happen. And over there also there is some skill development courses you have to do that so that your onboarding will be smooth like that. So let's talk about the training experience. Over there, the training will provided by Cognizant Academy team, and the training lasts for 4 to 8 weeks. Over there, you will get training based on different domains, like it can be in Java, it can be on .NET, it can be on Salesforce like that. And over there, after the training, you have to complete certain project they will assign you, and after completing that project, they will assign the assessment also. You have to score at least 60 to 70% on those assessment to pass your training, so that you can be allocated to a further projects and all, or you can sit in a bench like that. Then comes the bench period. After the training, every fresher are going to be in the bench. So mostly your bench duration can be from 1 week to 6 months. It can go till 6 months. Over there, you have to complete certain courses through Cognizant Academy platform. And also, the Cognizant team asks you to complete various certifications if your bench period are going too long, so that you can easily allocate it to a certain project. Like in the project allocation also, there is some criteria so that they will take the student from the bench. And the criteria can be they require the particular certifications, they require particular skills, and you don't have that skills. That's why those academy tell you to do particular certification on those fields and domains, so that you can be eligible for particular project. Comes into project allocation. When you actually allocate it to a project, then you are going to work with a real time project like that. Over there are multiple technologies you are going to use based on project, and in a project you are going to get the role of maybe testing, maybe development, maybe support, maybe enhancement of certain projects. So you are going to get these kind of roles. And over there also, you can going to use various tools which are accessible through Cognizant platforms, and you get access of various study platform also, so that you can further enhance your skills during the project period. And let's suppose you are allocated to a certain project. Over there, some skills are required and you don't have that particular skill. So you need to study those particular skills. You need to master that particular skill so that you can work into that project efficiently. And for that, there are certain courses which are available in their platforms. So you will get access of those platforms so that you can complete those courses. So let's talk about salary and leaves. So basically in the Cognizant, they mostly hire for Gen Z profile. And for the Gen Z profile, the salary range from 4 LPA to 4.6 LPA. And there are 26 paid leave basically in the Cognizant, including sick and casual leave. You can take casual leave anytime, but for the sick leave, if you will take mostly for certain locations, they will deduct your half day salary. So it varies upon location to location where you can take sick leave and where you can take sick leave or not. It is kind of not good experience in the Cognizant for certain locations. And of course, there are perks also. So you will get the work from home. So basically, you have to work 2 days in a week and 3 days from the home. So this is kind of perks for you. So let's talk about work culture and growth in Cognizant. So you mostly know that in the service-based company, the growth is not going to be in an exponential basis. It is going to be slow only, because over there, the learning kind of not that much. You're not going to use so much tools at the same time because you're not doing development from the initial stage. That's why. So growth is definitely going to be slow. Work culture, yeah, definitely friendly work culture is going to be there, and your managers, everyone is kind of supportive for you. if you are entering into a certain project as a fresher, there is a less pressure on you. Definitely, they're not going to assign so much tasks to you. They will allow you to enhance your skill through various courses and all. And after enhancing, then they will gradually increase your work like that. So yeah, if you're fresher and thinking whether you should join Cognizant or not, so definitely go with the Cognizant. You're going to learn various things. It's good starting company for a fresher. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If this video is really informative for you, please like and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. So yeah, I'm wrapping this video over here, signing off.